Hello, today we will guide you through how to add partner in Meta Business Suite. To begin, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. If you are not already signed in, log into your account first so you can access your business settings. Once the search results or landing page appears, click on Meta Business Suite to open the official page. From there, select Get Started. This will take you into the Meta Business Suite dashboard where you can manage your business assets, users, and permissions. If this is your first time in the platform, take a moment to let the page fully load so all menu options appear correctly. Next, look to the left side menu and click Settings. This is where Meta stores the controls for business access, profiles, partners, and shared assets. Inside Settings, click Profiles to continue. Once you are in the Profile section, find the drop-down menu and click Users. This menu lets you switch between different categories of people or organizations connected to the business. From the list, choose Partner. This section is specifically used when you want to share access with another business, such as an agency, contractor, or external team. After opening the Partner section, click the Add button. Depending on your screen layout, you may see an Add button in the middle of the page or another one near the top right corner. Either option will take you to the same place, so you can use whichever is visible and easiest to click. When the Add options appear, click Add again, and then choose Give a Partner Access to Your Assets. This option is important because it allows another business to work on selected assets without transferring ownership. At this stage, you will be asked to enter the Partner Business ID. In this demonstration, the process stops here, but this is the information you need to prepare before moving forward. Ask your partner for their business ID, then enter that ID into the field provided. After that, simply follow the on-screen instructions. In most cases, you will click Next, select the assets you want to share, assign the appropriate permissions, and then save your changes. Make sure you only assign access to the assets that your partner actually needs, since this helps keep your business secure and organized. Once everything is confirmed, the partner will be added with access to the assets you selected. And that is how to add a partner in Meta Business Suite.